Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this business formation tools, which is LegalZoom. So let's quickly dive into it. The LegalZoom is a popular choice for forming LLC corporation and the other business entitled thanks to its user-friendly platform, guided steps and access to legal resources. It's ideal if you want a hassle-free setup, expert support and reliable compliance tracking. Plus, it also includes the trusted brand reputation, comprehensive service option, and the ease of use for beginners. On the downside, costs can add up quickly with extra service like registered agent, EN filing, and ongoing compliance fee. Some users also report upsells and slower processing on lower type plan. So in my conclusion, I think LegalZoom works best for those who prioritize convenience and support, but the budget-conscious funder might find DIY option often cost-effective. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. The video, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.